Alright, so I'm about to show you guys how much my dog loves taking baths. So here's bath time. Hey Rylie, can you sit? Good girl. Do you want to go take a bath? Do you want to take a bath? Let's go take a bath. Let's go. Wrong way, Rylie. Wrong way, sweetheart. Do you want to go take a bath? Come here. Come here, Angel. You'll feel better. Sweetheart. Sweetheart, you hate bath time, don't you? Come on, let's go take a bath. Come on, it won't be that bad. Come on. Come on, baby. Come here, let's go. Come here, Rylie. Hey, Rylie. Do you want a treat? Rylie. I love you. I love you. Welcome to having a husky mix. So stubborn. I love you. Can you shake? I love you, baby. You're a good girl. Okay, we'll do bath time tomorrow. I love you.